Welcome to MBBSCouncil. Knowing last year closing rank for various PG courses in Andhra Pradesh medical colleges will help you to predict which courses and college you have chance to get for your NEET PG rank. In this video, we are going to see the expected NEET 2022 PG closing rank for Andhra Pradesh state quota in government medical colleges. To know closing cutoff for other quotas and private colleges for your reservation category, install MBBSCouncil Android app, or else you can comment below. You can see last year BCB category closing rank for all PG courses here. Radiodiagnosis closed at All India rank 1616. Andhra Pradesh state closing rank was 27. BCB local category rank was 3 and the corresponding NEET PG score was 616. There are close to 2,500 PG seats in Andhra Pradesh. Half of them go as All India quota and the other half becomes the state quota. Predicting colleges based on reservation category gives the best possible accuracy. If your NEET 2022 All India PG rank is less than 1600, it means you have good chance to get radiodiagnosis course in AP government medical colleges through NEET 2022 Andhra Pradesh State Counselling. You can find the closing rank for all other courses here. All cutoff mentioned here are for the BCB category. If you are looking for other categories, you can comment below or you can also install the MBBSCouncil app from Google Play Store. You can see the lower clinical or non-clinical branches last year Andhra Pradesh state closing rank here. ENT as well as psychiatry closing rank is close to 30,000 All India rank. Preclinical branches are available till 1 lakh NEET PG All India rank. Here you can see the difference in All India rank closing rank cutoff between state quota in government college and private college in Andhra Pradesh. For general medicine course, government college closing All India rank was 2,993 and for private college it was 11,195. Almost thrice of government college. You can see a big difference in cutoff because the government college state quota tuition fees is rupees 1.2 lakhs per year, whereas state quota in Andhra Pradesh private college tuition fees is 4.32 lakhs per year. If you want to know whether you have chance to get a particular course or a college for your reservation category, install MBBSCouncil app. This brings us to the end of this video. Subscribe to this channel to get latest updates on NEET counseling. See you in the next video.